over 300 miles an hour today. I know that because he's got 13,000 feet of runway to work with. Normally, he's only got about 6,000 feet. Watch the sonic. Listen to the sonic booms now as he pops that afterburner.
Very good.
That's Scott Superman Shockley. Look at the flames coming out of the exhaust stacks. He's going to come all the way down and give everybody an opportunity to see the Super Shockwave. They have another big Peterbilt truck, which is a regular semi-truck. I rode with his brother Kent Shockley in that one day. There's no floor in it. You can see the concrete.